All right, now that you've practiced the movements in our Charleston pattern, what we're going to do is I'm going to walk you through the pattern so you can get up and kind of learn it without having to stop and rewind the video all the time. So we're going to start with our first motion, 2 basic Charlestons. That's going to be front change, walk back, back change, walk forward. And we do this twice. 5, 6, 7. So let's try that. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's the first 2 8 counts is 2 of those basic Charlestons. Now, after that, on 8 count 3 and 4, actually on 8 count 3, we're going to repeat the changes with the right foot. So that would be repeating this, and on 7, 8, we walk back. So let's try that. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now on 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, we do the same idea, but on the other side, 5, 6, 7. So let's practice that. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's practice 3 and 4 all together. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, back, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So from the top, 8 count 1 and 2 are basic Charlestons. 8 counts 3 and 4 are the repeated of the change of directions. Here we go, from the top. 5, 6, 7, and basic 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, repeat, and walk it back. 4, 2, 3, 4, walk it forward. Now all we have left is 8 count 5 and 8 count 6. Those are going to be repeating the walks back and repeating the walks forward. So we start with a change forward and we walk back, and then we go and walk forward. So starting 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, go 5, 2, walk back, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that one more time. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we've finished all 6 8 counts, and it repeats. This is going to go, actually we're going to go from the top now. 8 count 1 and 2 are 2 basics. 3 and 4 are the repeating changes, and 8 counts 5 and 6 are the repeating walks. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another basic 1, 2. Toe heel. 5, 6. Heel toe. Changes. 3, 4, 5. Toe heel back. And 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5, 2, walk it back, 5, 6, and walk it forward, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, repeat, basic. Boom. So go through this video a few times, and hopefully that will help you memorize the pattern, and if you want to just see it with counts straight through, check out that other chapter.